for today's vlog, Bammy will be unboxing some of her gifts. So it was gifted to her by, do you know who gifted it? Do you know? Oh! Who gave you the surprise? That one? Oh! Okay, it was gifted to her. She's gonna open it. It's her favorite, what's her favorite TV show? On YouTube. So it's one of her mga favorite videos in YouTube. So we're gonna surprise her with the toys, and then let's see how she will react. Okay, are you ready? Okay! Are you excited? Yay! Can you show your excited face? Okay. So you need to close your eyes, love, okay? And then mommy will get your surprise. Okay? Can you do that? Okay. You will not open your eyes until mommy says so, okay? Okay? I will count. 1. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. 1, 2, 3. Wait. 1, 2, 3. Go! What's that? What is that? Come here, closer. Oh, it's Diana.
Mommy.
It's Bammy. Do you like it? Can you show? What Diana is that? It's Diana. It says it's Diana Ballerina. Do you want to open? This is the Diana Ballerina doll. Let's focus. Okay, another one. 1. Close your eyes again. 1, 2, 3. What's this? It's a doctor. It's Diana Doctor. Let's open it. Okay, there's one more left. Close your eyes again. 1, 2, 3. What's that? What's this one? Oh, there. It's Princess. It's the Princess Diana doll. So which one do you like? Which one? That one? The doctor? Okay, let's open the doctor first. Yes. Do you like the doctor? Do you want to be a doctor? Oh, yes. Really? Wait, I'll be back. I'll get a scissor. So this is the Diana Doctor. Or Dr. Diana pala. Yeah, it's the Dr. Diana. You have to cut it. Can you sing the song of Diana? Okay. Sing it first. I am Diana. Louder.
I'm Diana. I'm Diana. Diana.
You're Diana? Ready, sing. I am Diana. I'm gonna take you to the land of play. Oh, it's so hard. Thank you, baby. There you go. There's the dianadoll. This is the Dr. Diana doll. It has a stethoscope like this one.
And this is the hairbrush.
Oh yes, and also the hairbrush. This one. It comes with the hairbrush. Always with the hairbrush. Because it's her wand, right? Achi?
And that's not that too.
Yeah.
But Mom will say that.
Oh, Bammy likes the hairbrush too. And then, this is the...
Mommy,
Yes.
Mama.
And then this is the
Mommy, Mama.
Princess Diana.
Mommy, Mama.
Diana, the princess's play. With the hairbrush also and a crown. Okay. And this is the... And this is the ballerina Diana.
And also Diana. Diana, Mama.
Yes. Bammy likes Diana and Roma. Let's show them all three. Oh, good job, love. Oh, this is all your Diana. Okay, let's show your face. Are you happy?
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
Because that's her face. So these Diana dolls come in a set. You have 6 Diana characters to choose from. There's more, pa. We only have 3, my love, for now. Okay. Next time we will buy the other 3. Okay. Here it comes. It has 6 varieties or 6 characters. The Diana birthday Diana, the Princess Diana, the Doctor Diana, the hairdresser Diana. Oh, is it hairdresser? hairdresser, the ballerina, and the superhero. So
You
there.
also master superhero.
Which one?
Superhero Diana.
Oh, you want the superhero Diana? Okay, next time we will ask Daddy-o to buy. Shout out to Daddy-o.
Also,
Who's gonna buy you? Daddy-o and Tita Awesome, and who else gonna buy you? That's 3 dolls. It has to be 3 people. Who's gonna buy you the birthday Diana? This one. Daddy-o. And then this is the doctor. What about the hairdresser Diana? Who's gonna buy you? Tita Awesome. What about the superhero Diana? Who's gonna buy you? Daddy-o again? Daddy-o will buy you 2 Diana dolls. 1 and 2. 1 and 2 makes? 1 and 2 makes? Who's your favorite Diana doll here? From the 3. Who's your favorite Diana doll? And which one? Which one do you like? All of them? You like all of them? Oh, guys, they're your favorite? Okay, can you sing? Can you sing? I am Diana. Go. Louder. You don't look happy. You have to be happy. I'm gonna take you to the land of play. Good job! Oh, do you want to sing later the happy birthday, Diana?
Mommy, Bammy, that big. Mommy, buy a big.
Big one.
Mommy.
Hi, so we will end the vlog here and we will let her play with her new toys. Are you happy? Okay, let me see. Bye to the vlog. Bye! Oh, bye, Sushi.
Bye.
Bye! See you on the next vlog.
Bye. Bye.